Domira.
Hai, kembali lagi ke Domira Craft. Jangan lupa ya subscribe, like, comment, and share. Dan buat teman-teman yang mempunyai ide-ide yang lain, bisa dituliskan di kolom komentar ya. Nanti akan kita buatkan tutorialnya. Selamat menikmati.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling is taking over. Can we take our time? I wanna say